Hi, Phil. This video was put together specifically for Alden and Sons. This is Molly Tanuvasa. I am with New England Leads, and the whole goal of my little company here is that we're helping small business take back the rankings on Google, which is great because Google actually wants small business to be on the front page. So I took a look at your website, and from what I can see, it looks like a fairly new website. What I'm tracking says that it was made, I believe, the beginning of this year, if that's correct. So it's beautiful colors, great graphics, a lot of stock photos. Um, and so what a lot of people don't realize is that Google prefers words. I know for us, for our eye, we like things clean and simple and direct and to the point. Google would actually prefer that we have at least 150 words on our front page. Oh, let's close this out. I don't know what you're doing. So that's one of the things I would say. And also I was trying to figure out the area that you target. And all it says is Middlesex County. And so you are banking on that when people look for plumbers, they're not going to put city specific or town specific. The only thing that this website has hope of ranking for is if somebody specifically puts in Middlesex County. And I'm not sure how often that's going to happen. So I decided to take a look. I put in Middlesex County plumbers. And what I'm getting here is that it actually, the reports back are saying that that is searched 0 times a month on average. Hopefully that's at least 1 or 2 times somewhere sporadically throughout the year. But at the moment, nobody is looking for Middlesex County plumber. But that is the only location that you have on your website. And it's one of those things where when you're trying to market to everybody, you're actually marketing to no one. So it would make a lot of sense if even on your, I checked your Yelp, I checked your Facebook. It was hard to find exactly where you guys are located. And so you want that to be on there actually a lot. Not only all the areas that you're located, but every city and town where you service, because that is what people are searching. But just to show you what your site is pulling up as now, I went ahead and put in Middlesex County, Massachusetts plumber. Now, some people are advertising in the area. They're paying for these spots, and that's a gamble. Again, that people are going to find Middlesex County, and you can pay some money and go hope that they'll click in here. That's not likely to happen. If you scroll down here, you're going to find what we call GMB. That's Google My Business. This is the maps that are going to generate. People come here and they think that the businesses that are in here are populated based on proximity to where the businesses are. That's not really the case. It's actually based on they're called citations. It's how many times in the web that your name, address, and phone number show up across the internet. So I went ahead and did a search. Your citations, you've got an 8 right here. And so that means that you can be found 6 times on Facebook, once on Yelp, and twice on Yahoo. It's off to a great start because these are ranking high. But like I said, when I checked these, I didn't check Yahoo yet. When I checked these two, there was no city. I had to go searching to find out where you guys are located. And so people just aren't going to pull you up at all when they search places. Now, Royal Flush Plumbing, I went down and checked on the Google My Business. It was a couple people down. They've got 34 citations. So you can use a tool like I'm using, whitespark.ca, see the places where they're listed, and get your business listed there. That's going to move you up. Another thing, people are going to come down and they're going to hit what's called the organic, these come up, the organic search. They are about 60% of the clicks are going to come from this. And you'll see right now, a lot of these are just directories. Yelp, House, Business New England, top 10 plumbing, plumbers in Middlesex County. All of these, they're directories. They're very, very easy to beat. Google doesn't want these on the front page. But because these are all directories on here, I went ahead and said, well, who's on at least page 2 for Middlesex County? And I found, who did I find? I don't even know where I found him. But I put him in here, and it is, oh yeah, Powderhouse Plumbing. I clicked on their site and decided to take a look. So I put your site and theirs because they're at least on the second page of Google. Well, here's yours. Again, it's new, so there's not a lot of information and there's not a lot of words. So at the moment, your domain rating is 0. This is basically, I would say like the weight that you carry or the authority that you carry with Google. So you don't have any right now. You don't have any backlinks pointing to your page. You don't have any domains that are referring to you. Right now, none of your keywords are searchable, and so you're not getting any clicks a month for this website. Now, this is on average, spread out over a year. You guys haven't even been around for a year, so you might be getting a click here or there. I mean, I've obviously clicked on it today, but because you're not having any keywords, it's hard to search, you know, plumbing Middlesex County and have you guys pull up. Whereas Powderhouse Plumbing, they're in Winchester, they don't have a high domain rating at all. And 0.02, that is a cinch to beat. So easy. They have 91 backlinks. That means they've got 26 different websites that they're listed at several times who are pointing back to them. So these are websites. Some of them can be blogs. We're going to rearrange the domain rating here so we can see, you know, yellowpages.com, local.yahoo.com, superpages, chambermaster. They're listed in these several times. Like this, they're listed in Yellow Pages 6 times. But you want these backlinks. You want to come in here and make sure that you're listed in all the same places. And then on their website, they've got enough organic keywords that they're getting at least 46 clicks a month of people coming and finding them through their backlinks and through their keywords. And let's see, at least for, you know, Stone in Massachusetts, I'm not sure if you service them because you said you service most of Middlesex County. It's searched about 150 times a month. They're getting roughly 12 clicks a month from that because they've got that listed in their page somewhere several times. So you want to come to your competitors and say, hey, you know, obviously you're not going to put Powderhouse on your site, but find out where they're ranking because this shows you what people are searching. People are searching Somerville Plumbing on average 350 times a month. And this guy's only getting 13 clicks from that. So where are the rest of these 350 people ending up? We want to make sure that they're ending up on your page. And that's only going to happen if you get incredibly specific. And then you can go ahead and even build out pages that are specific to Stone in Massachusetts and rank that, and rank this one, and rank this one. So there's all kinds of tips and tricks that you can do to outrank the pages like Google and Yelp and sorry, obviously not Google, but Yelp and Angie's List, Home Advisor, those kind of things, as well as your competition. So I hope that this video has been helpful for you. Like I said, our goal for New England Leads is to help small businesses take back Google. If any of these tips and tricks have been helpful to you, you're welcome to use them, use the tools that I've showed you, apply them to your website, and beat out your competition. If you would like some help with this or you have any questions, you're welcome to contact me at molly@newenglandleads.com or 603-480-5660. If nothing else, I would really appreciate some feedback on what you thought of this video and if you found any of it to be helpful or things that I can do better moving forward. I really hope that I hear from you soon, and I wish you the absolute best, and I can't wait to see how your business grows. Thank you so much and have a great day.